Cummings Signs utilizes some of the most advanced automated equipment, layered with a highly skilled workforce. This short video will cover quality systems, materials, processes, and supply chain demands. It all starts with incoming raw materials and robust supply chain partnerships that have been developed over decades. The initial manufacturing starts in automation and the processing of these raw materials into components that will be assembled to create the ideal finished product. After trimming the plastics, we head over to the color and detail room. Each color is added one at a time and are engineered to last years without fading or environmental damage. At every step of the production process, the signs are checked over a light table. These molds are placed within tight tolerances onto a large molding table, which will create the three-dimensional shape of the sign's front. Once aligned, the plastic is heated and vacuum formed to create the final product. The finished product will then be moved to assembly, where it is hand-assembled using roughly 125 components and over 100 steps to produce the finished sign. Behind the scenes, we are assembling these parts, and in the case of lighted signs, testing each LED light module for proper illumination. To ensure our signs arrive undamaged, we carefully crate, package, and load them onto trucks for delivery. Once successfully installed, all products are logged into our warranty database for any future service and support coverage. Contact us to learn more.